chemical property so very simple instance here. Whenever you are going to decide the chemical property of an acid, the property of an acid depend on the strength or the ability of an acid to release proton in the aqueous medium or dissolve in the water. So the acid which release much more extent of hydrogen ion or proton in aqueous medium or in water, which have the more acidic character, means their degree of dissociation is completely or 100%. Release H plus ion will have the more acidic character. Means the strength of an acid depend upon the ability of acid to release H plus ion in the water or in the aqueous medium. Means the strength of an acid depend on the ability to lose proton means H plus ion when dissolve in water. So the dissociation strength of the carboxylic acid we can express in terms of the dissociation constant. For instance, just like RCOH when dissolved in water, H2O, this is formations of RCOO minus acetate plus hydronium ion, or you can say H plus ion. You will see here, this acid releases H plus ion, which is absorbed by the water molecule due to presence of lone pair of electron, and water become the hydronium ion H3O plus. Means H plus in the water leave in the form of the hydronium ion, and acid releases H plus ion, it convert into anion, acetate ion. So what would be the dissociation constant of this equation? This is Ka is equal to product upon reactant RCO minus and hydronium ion H3O plus upon RCOH. So here K is equal to dissociation constant of acid. Dissociation constant of acid. So you will see here from this equation it is obviously clear that K is directly proportional to hydronium ion. Ka is directly proportional to H3O plus ion and inversely proportional to RCOH 1 by RCOH. So what is showing this? As the H plus ion concentration increases, K value increases. Means higher the K value, higher the acidic strength. Because acidic strength depend upon the extent of H plus ion or hydronium ion. And another thing you will see, the K value increases, the concentrations of RCOH decreases. So when the concentrations of RCOH decreases, means more extent of H plus ion formation takes place. And RCOH increases, K value decreases, means no formations of less formations of H plus ion takes place. Where whatever the concentrations of acid is react here, the same concentration appear in the form of the product. Means here concentration decreases in the reactant side, and the concentrate of the hydrogen ion increases in the product side. So K is directly proportional to the H plus ion and inversely proportional to the acid RCOH. So what is conclusion here? What conclusion drawn from this equation? This is the first one. Higher the Ka value, first conclusion, higher the Ka value, higher the acidic strength, of an acid. Why? Because the more extent of H plus ion formation takes place. For simple instance, as the number of carbon atom increases, the acidic character decreases of acid. The acidic character of an acid decreases. For instance, just like we are deciding the acidic character of the different acid on the basis of their Ki value, and later we will discuss why or what is the reason behind this. Just like in case of formic acid, SCOH is greater than CH3, COH is greater than CH3, CH2, COH. You will see here, the formic acid is stronger acid as compared to acetic acid, and acetic acid is stronger than the propanoic acid. How would you decide this? According to the Ka value. The Ka value of SCOH is 17.5 into 10 power minus 5. And second one, that is acetic acid, this is 1.75 into 10 power minus 5. And in the case of the propanoic acid, this is 1.3 into 10 power minus 5. So you will see here, as we are going to the left to right, the number of carbon atom increases and their Ka value decreases. So higher the Ka value, higher the acidic strength of the acid. Note down. Here, formic acid, their value is 17.7, not 17.5. Acetic acid 1.75 into 10 power minus 5, and 1.3 into 10 power minus 5 in case of the propanoic acid. So you will see here why the formic acid have the higher Ka value as compared to the acetic acid and the case of the propanoic acid. So we have discussed already this, as the number of carbon atom increases, their acidic character decreases. Why? So here we will discuss or explain what is the reason behind this. You know that the acidic character of an acid depend upon the removal of H plus ion from the OH part of carboxylic acid. This is COOH. When this acid H plus ion releases, it shows their acidic property in the aqueous medium. Now the question arises. You will see here that is the two lone pair of electron on oxygen atom. One electron shared to oxygen and hydrogen, another electron shared to the carbon. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 already completed. So what is need to release H plus ion and show the acidic character? Actually, whenever it dissolve in water, what will happen? This carbonyl part, here is the sigma bond, one is the pi bond. This pi bond electron disperses toward the oxygen atom because of the high electronegativity than the carbon. So what would be the structure after getting the electron toward dispersing the electron toward the oxygen atom? The structure become, this is CH, H and CO minus, and this is plus and OH. So you will see here in the first structure, the valency of carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, means 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Their octet is completed. But after releasing the electron toward the oxygen atom, that is pi electron, it carbon becomes the 6-8 structure. 6-8 structure means just sort of the 2 electron to their octet structure. Now it need the 2 electron to achieve their octet structure. So what it go, how it get the electron to achieve their octet structure or the stable structure? It either demand the electron from this side or electron from this side. But we are going to decide first how the acidic character shown. Whenever it demand the electron from the oxygen side, what will happen? The oxygen share these 2 electrons toward the carbon atom, and the formations of the new structure here, this is CH3, this is CO minus, and double bond OH. Now oxygen becomes the positive charge. And carbon achieve their stable state here. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. But oxygen possesses positive charge. Why? Because it shared 2 electrons toward the carbon atom, so its electron density decreases due to sharing of these 2 electrons to this side. So one positive charge, because one electron share here, 1 electron disperses toward the carbon atom. So it requires 1 electron to achieve their stable structure. So how it get the 1 electron? Immediately it get the electron which is bonded to the hydrogen atom. It get the electron and 1 electron comes here, negative positive cancel and releases H plus ion. And formations of CH3, CO minus and double bond O and H plus ion. Now show their acidic character. Means acidic character depend upon the removal of or losing the H plus ion from the OH part of carboxylic acid. And when it releases, whenever the oxygen become the electron deficient or bear positive charge by donating a lone pair of electron toward the carbon atom. But whenever any electron donor group present to the carbonyl carbon, just like methyl group here, it is electron donor group. What is the role of electron donor group? It can donate the electron, intensify the electron density toward the carbon atom. Just like here you will see. Here negative charge. So before going to the oxygen atom, it first try to get the electron from the electron donor group. How it give the electron? It get the, this is 3 proton bonded to the this carbon. It get the electron from the hydrogen and provide the electron to the carbon atoms. And carbon achieve just like in this manner. H, C, H and H. This is double bond C, O minus and OH. There is no need to lose the hydrogen ion from the OH ion because it demands the electron from this carbon. This is electron donor group. So it can donate 3 times. 1 time here, 2nd time and 3rd time. After 3 times, it would require the electron from the oxygen atom. So after 3 times, it shows their acidic character. So what is showing this? As the electron donor group increases to the carbonyl carbon of carboxylic acid, it intensifies the electron on the carbonyl carbon and it does not demand the electron from the oxygen side. And when no donations of or sharing of electron takes place by the oxygen atom, it does not bear positive charge and does not release H plus ion. So you will see here, in case of formic acid, just like SCOH, there is no electron donor group, hydrogen is present. So obviously clear, when electron disperses this side negative and positive, it demands the electron from the oxygen side and oxygen releases H plus ion. But in case of acetic acid, it releases H plus ion after 3 times later. Why? Because 3 times these 3 proton intensify or completed the electron of the carbon atom. So after 3 times it required the electron from the oxygen atom. So it 3 times later it shows the acidic property, and before 3 times here no any electron donor group, it shows the acidic property. So this is the reason, as the electron donor group or carbon atom increases to the carboxylic acid, it decreases the acidic character. Why? Because the electron donor tendency is increases. Is it clear? So very important terms, it should be keep in mind. And if you have any questions, you can ask on the link I will give you for the video. You can ask on the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Later we discuss about the another way to show the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. Actually, when carboxylic acid dissolve in water, it forms acetate ion, which is the powerful stabilizing state or resonance structures. When it dissolve in the, just like in case of the carboxylic acid, just like acetic acid, CH3COOH, when dissolved in aqueous medium, it forms the hydronium ion H3O plus and plus, powerful resonance stabilized structure. You will see here, this is formations of CH3CO and O minus, and it undergoes resonance stabilization. When it get the electron, it share the electron. And formations of another resonance structure. This is CH3, CO minus and double bond O. So resonance hydride of this compound is CH3, CO. This is carbogylate ions. So another reason for the high acidic character of the carboxylic acid, when it dissolves in the aqueous medium, it forms the powerful acetate ion, carbogylate anion. And this carbogylate anion, due to resonance stabilization, so the high acidic character as compared to the other compounds. So this is another things or another way to explain the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. Now we will discuss about the effect of substituent on the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. On the acidity of carboxylic acid. On the acidity of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. So first of all, this is the effect of electron withdrawing substituent. First, effect of electron withdrawing substituent withdrawing substituent. Electron withdrawing substituent, that is EWG group. EWG group, that is phenyl is less than iodide is less than bromide is less than chloride is less than fluoride is less than nitrile is less than nitrate is less than CF3. So these are the electron withdrawing group. What is the effect of electron withdrawing group? Just like here, just like the group COOH. What will happen when electron withdrawing group actually show the minus I effect. It get the electron toward the itself. So this carbon, just like in this manner, you can see this is CS3, G, here the group is attached, electron withdrawing group, and COOH. You will see this is the electron withdrawing group. What would be so? Actually, it shows the minus I effect. What is the role of minus I effect? It gets the electron from the carbon toward itself because it is more electronegative than this carbon. Like this, phenyl group, iodide, bromide, chloride, fluoride, nitrile, nitrate, and carbon trifluoride. Whenever this electron withdrawing group present at this alpha carbon or any carbon after the COH group, when this electron goes toward here, become negative and now positive, so it demand the electron from this carbon because it is electron donor group, but here already electron withdrawing group present. When it get the electron from the carbon toward itself, so carbon again deficient because their electron, this pi electron, this electron, sigma electron disperses toward this group because it is electron withdrawing group, more electronegative. So whenever it already feel the electron deficiency, how it donate the electron? So you can't donate the electron. So only one way to gain the electron from this oxygen atom, and when this oxygen atom share the electron, immediately releases plus ion. So what is happening here? As the electron donor group present in the acid, their acidic character increases. Why? Because the removal of H plus ion is also increases. For instance, just like here, the acetic acid CH3COH is and chloroacetic acid Cl CH2COH and dichloroacetic acid ClClHCOH. There is no electron withdrawing group to this acid. One electron withdrawing group present at the alpha carbon, and this alpha carbon having a 2 electron withdrawing group. Thus, the chloroacetic acid, this is chloroacetic acid. Chloroacetic acid is 100 times stronger acid than acetic acid. Dichloroacetic acid is also still stronger acid. Dichloroacetic acid is still stronger acid. And trichloroacetic acid, acetic acid, is about 1000 times more acidic than acetic acid. So as the electron withdrawing group increases, first effect, as the electron withdrawing group increases, acidic character increases. So first factor here. The first electron donor group increases, their acidic character also increases. Why? Because electron withdrawing group, so minus I effect, it gets the electron from the alpha carbon, and alpha carbon cannot release the electron toward the carbonyl carbon. So only one way to get the electron from the OH side, and as the oxygen of OH donate the electron to carbonyl carbon, it immediately releases plus sign. So their acidic character. So first factor, as the electron withdrawing group increases, the acidic character of acid is also increases. Another, positions of the electron withdrawing group. Another factor, how the substituent affect the acidic character of carboxylic acid. Positions of the electron withdrawing group. Second, position of electron withdrawing group. As the distance of electron withdrawing group, to the carboxylic carbon move away, the acidic character rapidly diminishes. The acidic character rapidly diminishes. Why? Because the minus I effect is decreases. For examples, just like butyric acid, CH3, CH2, CH2, COH is first of all here the chloroacetic acid, distance here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2 chlorobutanoic acid is stronger acid than the 3 chloro CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, COH is greater than Cl, CH2, CH2, COH. So you will see here in first case chlorobutenic alpha chlorobutenic acid, the electron with dyne group just near to the alpha carbon, near to the carbonyl carbon, which is stronger, more ion minus I effect shown here as compared to the third carbon. Here is the beta carbon having the electron with dyne group. Their effect is less as position to the alpha carbon, and it is stronger than the electron with dyne group present to the gamma carbons. So as the positions of electron with dyne group move away to the carbonyl carbon, their acidic strength is rapidly diminishes, decreases. Why? Because the minus I effect is decreases as the electron with dyne group move away to the carboxylic acids, carbonyl carbon. So this is the another factor of the position on the acidic character of the acid. And now the electron, another group here, the variations of halogen atoms on the acidity of the, as the electron with dyne group on the acidity of the acid. So the minus I effect of the different halogen, minus I effect of different halogen are as follow. That is fluoride. Fluoride having the more electronegativity. Fluoride is greater than chloride, is greater than bromide, is greater than iodide. So what is the acidic character of these different halide are present in the same compound, same molecular compound, just like fluoroacetic acid FCH2COH is greater than ClCH2COH is greater than BrCH2COH is greater than ICH2COH group. And another factor is the acidic character of acid. The acidic character of acid also depend upon the hybridations of carbon atom, carbon atom to which carbonyl group is bonded, to which CO group is bonded. CO group is bonded. For examples, just like Sp have the more S character, is more acidic than Sp2, is more acidic than Sp3. So higher the S character, higher the acidic strength of the carboxylic acid. Just like here, the alkyne HC triple bond CH. CH means here this carbon is the sp hybridized carbon. It has more acidic character as compared to the benzoic acid. You can write here the acid COH is greater than C6H5COH. Here the sp2 hybridizations is greater than CH3COH. This carbon having the sp3 hybridization. So it also depend upon the S character of the or hybridations of the carbon to which the carbonyl group is bonded. Here is sp hybridization. So higher the S character, higher the acidic strength of the carboxylic acid, and these are the different factor or the effect of substituent on the carboxylic acid. In the next video, we will discuss about the acidic character of the benzoic acid and the effect of substituent on the different position, ortho, meta and para position to show their acidic character. Thank you.